Prosencephalon. 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 Subdivide into two brains. Так? Diencephalon, diencephalon and telencephalon. Так, telencephalon. Next class. Telencephalon. Next class, we will talk about structures of telencephalon. Telencephalon has primary cavity, ventriculus lateralis. Так? Ventriculus lateralis. И telencephalon contains structures. First, olfactory brain. Rhinencephalon. 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 Next, rhinencephalon has central part, and peripheral part. Peripheral parts. Two parts. Second part of telencephalon, basal nuclear life or ganglia basalia. Ganglia basalia or subcortical centers. Then third structure, hemisphere, right and left. Hemisphere, cerebri, right and left, and hemisphere is outer gray matter cortex. Cortex, gray matter. Gray matter. Ganglia basalia, also gray matter. Gray matter. Gray matter. Так, my friends. Hemisphere cerebri. Hemisphere cerebri has three surfaces, three ends, three margin. Hemisphere cerebri. Hemisphere cerebri. Three surfaces, three faces. Да, surfaces. Lateral, inferior, and medial or medialis. Medialis. Three ends and frontal, or anterior and posterior end, or occipital, and lateral and temporal. Three marga. Superior, inferior, and lateral. Marga lateralis. And 5 lobes. 5 lobes. 5 lobes. Frontal. Parietal, occipital, frontal, parietal, temporal, and insula. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lobes. Так, my friends. Hemisferia. Так, cerebri. Hemisferia cerebri. Hemisferia cerebri has outer layer. Outer layer is gray matter. A gray matter, body of nervous cells. Так? Body of nervous cells. This we can see. Inferior surface, visible. Temporal lobe, frontal lobe. Lateral surface, frontal lobe, gray color. Parietal lobe, orange color. Temporal lobe, dark blue color, occipital lobe. And medial surface, frontal lobe, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobe. Let's draw this poster. Let's draw this poster with 4 lobes. My friends, superiorly this will be marga superior. Our picture will be very big. Marga superior. This will be frontal and behind the frontal occipital, да? Occipital, and is this, так, this will be lateral marga lateralis, так? Marga lateralis. Cortex of the cerebri has 2 components. Depression or groove or sulcus, так? Elevation, gyruses or gyrus. Understood? Gyruses or gyrus, for example, precenter and postcentralis separate grooves. This superior marga, this also grooves. Так, I draw superior marga. Marga superior. Marga superior. From marga superior originates 3 vertical grooves. 1, 2, and 3. Let's name this groove or sulcus. Near the occipital end, sulcus postcentralis. This near the frontal. No, sulcus precentralis. This sulcus centralis. Sulcus Then blue color, I will draw frontal lobe. Frontal lobe. Or frontal lobe. Frontal lobe. In this component of frontal lobe, we can draw two horizontal grooves, my friend. One, два. Let's name this sulcus. Sulcus, no? Frontalis. Superior, хорошо, right? And sulcus frontalis inferior. Да, my friend, sulcus frontalis inferior. Let's count gyruses of frontal lobe lateral surface. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 gyruses from frontal lobe, in frontal lobe. Let's name these gyruses. Gyrus precentralis, precentral gyrus. This gyrus
Frontalis.
Gyrus frontalis superior, right? This
Medius.
right. Gyrus frontalis media and gyrus gyrus frontalis inferior. Конечно, of course. Gyrus frontalis inferior. So, frontal lobe contains 3 or 4 gyruses. 3 horizontal, 1 vertical. This sulcus precentralis, да, precentralis, и 3 horizontal, gyrus frontalis, superior, medius, and inferior. Let's write functions of these gyruses. All gyruses contain gray matter or nucleus. So, gyrus precentralis, your function, primary motor area or cortical and motor analyzer. Understood? So, motor center. A motor center, gray matter, nucleus. Motor center. Primary motor center or cortical and motor analyzer. In these gyruses goes a lot of impulses from our locomotor system, from proprioceptors. Then these areas, one third part, posterior part of superior frontal gyrus, medial frontal gyrus, and inferior frontal gyrus will be motor area. Oh, let's find gyrus frontalis media. Number 3. And last one third this part. This gyrus will contain center, motor center of written speech. Understood, my friends? Written speech. If patient will problem with this area, cortex, he will draw letter A, so A. Understood. Problem with written speech. This center, Broca center. This center has function, motor area, oral speech. Oral speech. So, patient, if problem with this area, can't say words. Or can't words. Understood? So, more primary motor center, oral speech. This written speech. Note, my friends, this gyruses or gyrus frontalis inferior has 3 components. Find this information in your book. Then let's separate. Behind the frontal lobe will be pink color parietal lobe. Parietal lobe. Parietal lobe. Parietal lobe. In this region, we can draw a horizontal line. It corresponds sulcus. Sulcus intra parietalis. Let's count gyruses of parietal lobe in lateral surface. 1, 2, 3. Let's name these gyruses. No, gyrus. Gyrus post centralis, post centralis. And these gyruses will be named lobulus because this component more larger than gyruses and let's name between marga superior, sulcus post centralis, sulcus intraparietalis is located a lobulus parietalis superior. As this lobulus parietalis inferior. Да. Lobulus parietalis inferior. So we can see one gyrus and 2 lobulus. Center. Primary cortical center, wall sensation. Wall sensation. Tactile sensation. Pain and temperature. Exteroceptive sensation, pain sensation and temperature sensation. Primary sensory area. Lobulus parietalis superior also contain cortical center, exteroceptive sensation, and stereognosis. ability, stereognosis. Recognize object without visual, without eye, да? Хорошо, правильно. Так, parietal lobe. Так, let's draw line. Gray color, my friends. This line, it corresponds sulcus lateralis cerebri. Sulcus lateralis cerebri. This group separates frontal lobe and parietal lobe from, name this lobe, temporal lobe. It's temporal lobe. Lobus temporalis. Lobus temporalis. Lobus temporalis. This sulcus lateralis cerebri. This groove, sulcus lateralis cerebri, ends in lobulus parietalis inferior, my friends. Let's draw two horizontal line. Two horizontal line will correspond sulcus, temporalis superior, the same in frontal lobe, и sulcus temporalis inferior. Sulcus temporalis superior and inferior. Let's count gyruses. Temporal lobe in lateral surface has 1, 2, and 3 gyruses. Let's divide these gyruses into 3 parts. Will be free this part is this part. Так. Let's name. This will be gyrus temporalis superior, right? This gyrus temporalis median, да, и this gyrus temporalis inferior. 3 gyruses. Centers. Так. Middle part, superior gyrus, temporal gyrus, will contain primary auditory center. Auditory center. Primary auditory center. Or cortical and auditory analyzer. This information from cochlear nerve. Behind this center, also in last 1/3 portion of gyrus temporalis superior, cortical center, auditory analyzer, oral speech. Oral speech. So patient hearing or listen to another man say, but don't understand word. Understood? Okay. Or primary sensory speech area. This area is this area. It corresponds primary vestibular area. Primary vestibular area. Vestibular analyzer. Or cortical and or cortical center vestibular analyzer. Vestibular information. Then, my friend, occipital lobe. Occipital lobe separate from parietal and temporal. Sulcus transversus. Sulcus transversus. This was what? This will be occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. Occipital lobe. What, my friends? Continue or end of this groove, sulcus lateralis cerebri will be located gyrus supramarginalis. Supramarginalis. Gyrus supramarginalis. In this area, lobulis parietalis inferior and gyrus supramarginalis will have function practice center, cortical practice center. Continuation. Temporal sulcus temporalis superior also will end gyruses. Gyrus angularis. These gyruses will be located in parietal lobe and in occipital lobe. If function these gyruses, cortical center, a visual analyzer of written speech. Understood? Patient, look at your picture. You don't understand. Так, my friends, please come to me. I will show you in this poster. Please, your note, my friend. Toby. No, Toby. My friends, let's separate frontal lobe from parietal. No, Toby? Sulcus?
Sulcus
centralis. Да. Parietal lobe contains 4 gyruses. Да? One vertical gyrus or gyrus precentralis. Let's draw borders. Anterior border, sulcus. No, anterior border, sulcus. Precentralis, posterior. Centralis, superior. Marga superior at inferior border. Sulcus lateralis cerebri originates from fossa lateralis or fossa lateralis. Then this we can see frontal inferior gyrus, frontal medial gyrus, and gyrus frontalis superior. 3 horizontal gyruses. Then gray color has parietal lobe. Parietal lobe has 1 vertical gyruses, gyrus postcentralis, has borders. Central groove, да, central, postcentral, lateral, and marga superior. Understood? Primary sensory area. And we can draw sulcus intraparietalis. By means sulcus intraparietalis, this area of parietal lobe subdivide into superior lobulus parietalis superior and lobulus parietalis inferior. And continuation of this groove, sulcus lateralis cerebri, we can see gyrus supramarginalis, cortical practice center. Then temporal lobe. Temporal lobe separate from frontal lateral groove, from parietal lateral groove, from occipital transverse groove. If we can see gyrus temporalis superior, gyrus temporalis medius, and gyrus temporalis inferior. Continuation of sulcus temporalis superior will be at the end, we can see gyrus angularis. Understood. Visual center, written speech. Sit down. Then let's draw 3 minutes. I can draw this picture. If you have free time, I can draw and explain this picture. If you haven't time, so I can end my explanation. No? What?
We have time, free time.
Что, right? Explanation. Explain. If you need to go to home, please go to home, hostel, and так. No, let's draw this scheme. Да. Так, this will be very small scheme. We'll draw frontal lobe, inferior surface. It's frontal lobe. And this will be occipital lobe, right and left, like my heart. Occipital lobe, my friends, right and left. Let's describe frontal lobe. Frontal lobe has a vertical groove, sulcus olfactorius, and a lot of sulci orbitalis. Sulci orbitalis. Let's name gyruses. Gyrus rectus, as this gyruses, gyri orbitalis. This groove contains peripheral parts rhinencephalon. Да? We told that rhinencephalon has central and peripheral part. Peripheral part has 4 portions. Да? Bulbus olfactorius, oval in shape. Tractus olfactorius. Trigonum olfactorium, triangular in shape structure. И substantia perforata anterior. Inferior surface is first cranial nerve. Nerves, a lot of olfactory nerves, a lot of. So, bulbus cerebri, bulbus olfactorius, tractus olfactorius, trigonum olfactorium, and substantia perforata anterior. 4 portions of peripheral part of rhinencephala. Then occipital, temporal lobe. Temporal lobe, inferior surface, да? Let's draw grooves, да, sulcus. Здесь marga lateralis. Marga lateralis. This we can see marga lateralis. Marga lateralis. So, it's right and left sides, да? Right and left lobes. So, more laterally is located sulcus occipita temporalis. Occipita temporalis. Why? Because this groove originates from occipital dark blue lobe, ends in temporal lobe. More medially, so occipital temporal groove. More medially lies collateral groove, sulcus collateralis. Sulcus collateralis. И more medial groove, sulcus hippocampi. Hippocampus is the oldest structure of rhinencephalon central part. Let's name gyruses. Так, let's count gyruses. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, my friends, 4 gyruses. Let's draw. Between marga lateralis and sulcus occipita temporalis has yellow color gyrus, gyrus occipita temporalis, occipito temporalis lateralis. Second gyrus also has yellow color. Lies between sulcus occipita temporalis and sulcus collateralis. No, name this gyrus. Gyrus occipita temporalis. No, this was lateralis, and this will be medialis. Medialis. This dark red color. These gyruses will be called gyrus parahippocampalis. Gyrus parahippocampalis. campalis. Gyrus parahippocampalis. Lies laterally from hippocamp. Effort gyruses uncus. Uncus. Round in shape. Uncus. My friends. Uncus. Gyrus parahippocampalis. On the inferior surface will be central part rhinencephalon. It has red color structure. Uncus contains cortical center, cortical smell or olfactory center. Olfactory center. Так, my friends, и orally, without picture, orally, medial surface, superior marga, inferior marga. Occipital lobe contains two gyruses, only two, lingual and cuneus. Cuneus. In occipital lobe, on medial side, above and below sulcus calcarinus will be cortical visual center. So this will be cortical and visual analyzer, my friend. Above and below sulcus calcarinus. So this center will be in inferior part cuneus and gyrus lingualis. Parietal lobe has green color, да? Will contain one gyruses. Precuneus. First and second part, central portion of rhinencephalon will be called gyrus cinguli. Second part, isthmus. This third part, gyrus parahippocampalis. Fourth part, uncus. Form gyrus fornicatus. Gyrus fornicatus, central part of rhinencephalon. So, my friends, your homework. Inferior surface of the hemisphere cerebri, lateral surface and all sulcus and gyruses, medial surface plus rhinencephalon.